And then in verse 3, the first part, it says, and Jehoshaphat feared. It says Jehoshaphat feared. I, growing up, coming to Christ, for whatever reason, thought, when bad things happen to me, and my first reaction is fear, that I am a bad Christian. I just told you guys that when I go through difficult times, I become desperate. And then I start to try to grab your stuff because fear rises up in me. And the problem is not that fear is a problem. The problem is if I don't acknowledge the fear. If I don't say, I am afraid. I am concerned. To have someone in your life to whom you can acknowledge this fear. That's the problem. Because what did Jehoshaphat do? He didn't stop at fear as you and I would often do. We stop at fear and then we start to make plans and we become desperate. And do you know what happens? And this is a quote from someone else. It says that fear looks like wisdom. It parades itself as wisdom. Sometimes the fear we experience gives us ideas on what we should do. We become desperate and it seems to be wise, but only in our eyes. And I'm guilty of that. I'm so guilty that I have, in moments where I'm under extreme pressure and under extreme challenges, that I would have, from fear, think this is a wise thing to do. I can name plenty of instances where I made choices based on fear because I thought that is wisdom. And what I did not do was the next thing Jehoshaphat did. So he acknowledged that he was afraid. In the verse 3 it says, and Jehoshaphat feared, and listen to the second part to that sentence, and set himself to seek the Lord. I think often we stop at fear.